Hello and welcome to Shipon Science and Maths. Today we are going to learn parts and whole in the form of story. I'm sure most of you know many stories about Akbar and Birbal, isn't it? All of us had heard many stories from our grandparents, parents, from storybooks, from televisions, isn't it? And these are really very exciting stories. But do you know how Birbal became a minister in Akbar's court? So, I know this story is given in Maths Magic book of class 5. So, today let's discuss this story and we will learn parts and whole through this very interesting story. Alright? So the story goes like this. Birbal was then a young boy living in a village. He was very clever and could write poetry. He thought, why would not try in King's Court? Yes, he could try because he could write very nice poem. So he took some of his poem and set off for the city. When he reached the outer gate of the palace, he was stopped by the gatekeeper. Hey, stop there. Where are you going? Shouted the gatekeeper. I am a poet. I want to see King Akbar and show my poems to him, replied the poet. Oh, you are a poet? The king is kind. He will surely give you prize. I will let you in if you give me 1/10 of the price. Who said this? The gatekeeper said this. He wanted how much? 1/10 of the price. Whatever Birbal will get. Since Birbal was very clever, he agreed to the gatekeeper's offer. And of course he had no other way also. He had to meet king. So he said, yes, whatever I will get, I will give you 1/10 of the price. He went in. The gatekeeper calculated. If he gets 100 gold coins, I will get this much coin. 1/10 of 100. That means he will get 10 gold coins. He calculated and he was very happy. Then Birbal went inside and again there was another gatekeeper waiting for him. And the second gatekeeper also said, I will let you in if you give me 2/5 of your price. Oh my God. Again the gatekeeper was asking for 2/5 of the price. Whatever Birbal will get from the king, he wanted 2/5 of that. The poet agreed. Poet means who? Birbal. Birbal agreed to the gatekeeper. Since he was very clever, he thought something in his mind and he said, yes, that's okay, I'll give you 2/5. The gatekeeper, again, he also very happily calculated. The poet will get at least 100 gold coins. So I will get 2/5 of 100. That means, yes, I will get 40 gold coins. He was very happy. Then Birbal entered. He reached the last gate. There again one more gatekeeper was there. And same thing. The gatekeeper again said, I will allow you to see the king only if you give me half of the price. Half of the price. Birbal has no other way. He agreed and went inside. He said, yes, whatever I will get, I will give half to you. Okay? So let me go inside. And then Birbal went inside. Then again the gatekeeper thought, today is a great day. If he gets 100 gold coins, I will get 50. I will get 50 gold coins, and he was also very happy. Then what happened? Birbal went inside, and the king was very happy with his poems and said, Birbal, your work is very good. I am impressed with your poems. You can ask anything as your prize. Whatever you want, you can ask for it. I am very happy with you. Who said this? King Akbar said this to Birbal. My lord, Birbal said, my lord, I want 100 slaps. 100 slaps. What? 100 slaps? The king was shocked. Why? Why do you want 100 slaps? You could have asked for gold coins and many other things. Why slaps? Then Birbal narrated the whole story, that how these three gatekeepers, they asked for bribe. The first one, he asked for 1/10 of the price. Then the second one, he asked for 2/5 of the price. And the third one, how much? He asked for half of the price. King said, yes, let's give them their share. Okay? And then you can calculate how much slaps each of them got. So isn't this an interesting story? Now students, there is another story in your Maths Magic book. This will also help you to know many things about parts and whole. And the story is very interesting also. The story goes like this. Let me tell you the name of the story first. The name of the story is An Old Woman's Will. Will, you understood? Yes. Once there lived an old woman. She lived with her 3 daughters. She was quite rich and had 19 camels. How much? 19 camels. One day, she fell ill. The daughters called the doctor, but the doctor tried his best but could not save the woman. After her death, the daughters read what she has written in her will. So there was a will in which the old woman has written something for the daughters, and it goes like this. My eldest daughter will get half of my camels. My second daughter will get how much? 1/4 of my camel. And my third daughter will get 1/5 of my camels. Oh my God! How to divide the camels? The daughters were really puzzled. How can I get half of the 19 camels? Asked the eldest daughter. Oh my God, it's not possible to take half share of 19 camel. Is it possible? No. Half of 19 is 9.5. But we can't cut the camel. The second daughter said. Can we cut? No, we cannot cut. We cannot cut a camel. It will die. So half of 19, it's not possible. That's right. But what will we do now? Asked the third daughter. Just then they saw their aunt coming. Who was coming? Aunt was coming. The daughters told her their problem. Then the aunt said, show me the will. I have an idea. You take my camel. So you have how much? 20 camels. If you take my one, you'll have 19 plus 1, 20 camels. Now you can divide them as your mother wanted. Who said this? The aunt said this. Take my one camel and add to your 19 camel, and then take the half of 20, that is how much? 10. 10 camel, the eldest daughter will get 10 camels. You want half of the camels, don't you? Take 10 camels, she said to the eldest daughter. Take your share, the aunt told the second daughter. She took 1/4 of the camels and got how much camel? 1/4 of the camel. That means how much? 1/4 of 20 is 5 camels. So she gave 5 camels to the second daughter. You can take 1/5 of the camels, the aunt told the third daughter. And how much the third daughter was supposed to get? The third daughter was supposed to get 1/5 of the camels. So how much she got? 1/5 of the camel, that is 1/5 of 20 is 4 camels. The daughters were very happy and they counted their camels. 10 plus 5 plus 4. How much? 19 camels. So that was a very simple calculation. And what happened to the remaining one? So the remaining one is mine. Who said that? Said the aunt, and took away her camel. The solution was very simple. The aunt made the solution very simple. She added her one camel and distributed among the daughters. And at the end, after distributing 19 camels, she took away her own camel. So isn't it very interesting story? I hope you all enjoyed both the stories. For more updates, like, comment and share. To subscribe, click the bell icon.